This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description. Hey everyone, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything about WordPress. And today we're going to see how we can add newsletter subscription to our WordPress website. Now this video will be in two parts, and today we're going to see how we can add newsletter subscription. We are going to learn how to add the pop-up, and in the next video we will see how we can send emails to the subscribers. Now let's get started. Now, why do you need to add a subscription method to your website? A newsletter or email marketing is a cost-effective means for building relations and maintaining regular contact with clients or customers. Circulating newsletter can help you build a broader picture of organization and increase awareness, and thus encouraging people to buy from your brand. Email marketing is a vibrant and powerful way to connect to people like leads, current or past customers. With more than 3 billion people using email, using this platform to market and engage with audience is a no-brainer. So, if you're a businessman or even an individual and looking forward to accomplish traffic generation, awareness, lead nurturing, revenue generation, or reactivate inactive customers, you should definitely add a subscription method. First of all, we will create an account in Convertful. Head over to Convertful website, which will be linked in the description. Click on Try Free and choose the free plan. Now, if you have a good business, you can choose either of the plans. For me, this will be free one. Click on Email. Now add the verification code that has been sent to your email. Enter your verification code. And click on Verify. Now add your credentials. Now add the URL of your site. Click on Site Platform and choose WordPress. Click on Site Category and click on E-commerce. You can choose what suits your website and click on Add Site. Now we will connect our Convertful app to our WordPress website. For that, head over to Dashboard. We're going to add a new plugin. Head over to Add New and search for Convertful. Click on Install Now. And click Activate. Now head down and click on Connect to Convertful. Click on Approve. Next, we will add email subscription form to our website. For that, head over here and click on Create Widget. Now, as you can see, there are some templates. We're going to click on pop-ups. And click on Create Pop-up. Now we have a interface just like Elementor. We can edit this. For now, I will keep it the same. Click on Display Rules. Now here we can choose when to add the pop-up. For me, this will be when visitor scrolls for more than 40% or visitor intends to leave. Now for activating this, click here. Now let's head over to our website. Now as you can see, our pop-up has appeared. Let's see if it's working. And as you can see, our subscriber list has been updated. Now that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll talk about how to send emails to your subscribers. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe for more. Thank you.